Hi students. Now let us see an example on relational operators. These relational operators are also known as comparison operators. So what they do, if my condition is true, then it returns its return value is the true. If my condition is not correct, then it returns the false. Okay. So what are the different relational operators we have? One is greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, this is double equal to, this is not equal. This is for the equal, this is for not equal. See, when I write x equal to y, this is nothing but an assignment. Means copies y value to x. But when I write x double equal to y, this is nothing but a comparison. Compares both x and y, whether they are equal or not. If they are equal, returns the true, otherwise returns the false here. Okay. See how I'm reading the input here. So in the previous example, I explained how to read with the help of a map function. Now let's see the same reading multiple values with the help of a list comprehension. So what I'm doing here is I'm reading the input and splitting with the help of a split function, and I'm using the for loop here for x in. So whatever the value which I'm reading multiple times, then that value I'm converting into the int with the help of the int function. Okay. So here, for example, if I enter x equal to 5 and the